अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। सुनन अबी दाऊद हदीस नंबर 4918। The believer is a mirror to his brother. Sometimes the people who hurt us the most are the people closest to us. Friends who change, family members who misunderstood us, brother who judge instead of helping. And in today's world, people are quick to expose flaws but slow to heal hearts. One mistake becomes public humiliation. One weakness becomes gossip. One failure becomes entertainment. But Islam taught believers something far from beautiful. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The believer is a mirror to his brother." A mirror doesn't humiliate you, that helps you see clearly, quietly, honestly, with sincerity. And perhaps this faith is exactly what today's broken relationship desperately need. Think deeply about mirrors. A mirror reflects truth, not to embarrass you, but to help you improve. The mirror doesn't screen at your flaws. It simply shows them gently, privately, honestly. And when the Prophet ﷺ described believers as a mirror, he taught us how Muslims should treat each other with sincerity, compassion, mercy. Not arrogance, not public shame, not cruelty disguised as honesty. Today, people have become addicted to exposing others, screenshots, public callouts, mockery, backbiting disguised as concern. And social media made this even worse. People criticize instantly, without wisdom, without mercy, without understanding someone's pain. But the believer is not supposed to destroy hearts. The believer protects hearts. Even while correcting mistake, many people today feel emotionally alone, surrounded by people yet deeply disconnected. Why? Because true brotherhood is rare. Real friendship is not only laughing together, it is helping each other become better human beings. And true believer wants goodness for you, protects your dignity, corrects you privately, makes excuses for your weakness, and remind you of Allah when the world distracts you. That kind of friendship is a priceless. There is a huge difference between correction and humiliation. One heals, the other wounds. Sometimes people speak harshly, thinking they are telling the truth, but truth without mercy can crush hearts. The Prophet ﷺ was the greatest example of beautiful correction. He guided people gently, wisely, patiently. He understood human emotions, and many hearts entered Islam because of his character before his words. A mirror helps you improve yourself. Similarly, believers should help each other spiritually grow, remind each other to pray, encourage each other toward patience, protect each other from sin, support each other during weakness, and perhaps one sincere reminder from the believer can save another person's akhirat. Never underestimate kind advice given sincerely for Allah. Human beings naturally overlook their own flaws. Pride blinds us, emotions blind us, desires blind us. That is why righteous companionship is so important, because good believers lovingly help us to see what we cannot see ourselves. A true friend will not clap while you destroy yourself. They will care enough to guide you gently, even when it feels uncomfortable, because real love is not always silent. Sadly, many people stop taking advice because of harshness from others. They were judged instead of understood, embarrassed instead of helped, and slowly their hearts closed. Islam never taught believers to become arrogant over someone else's struggle, because every person is fighting battles nobody fully sees. The sinner you judge today become closer to Allah than you tomorrow. And the believer who understands mercy speaks with humility. Notice something beautiful. A mirror does not expose you publicly. It reflects your flaws privately. This is deep. The believer protects the dignity of the other believers, not exposing their sins, not humiliating them publicly, not turning their weakness into gossip, because mercy is a part of Iman. Allah loves those who conceal the faults of the others, sincerely. Ask yourself honestly, do people feel safe around me? Do my words heal or damage? Do I advise with love or ego? Do I genuinely want good for others? Because sometimes people remember our tone longer than our message, and one gentle sentence can change sometime entire life. Today the Ummah does not only need knowledge, need mercy, understanding, compassion, gentleness. People are already fighting inner battles, in anxiety, depression, temptation, loneliness, and perhaps one sincere believer with beautiful character can become light in someone else's darkness. That is what true brotherhood looks like. Dear brother and sister, be careful with people's heart. Not every wound is visible. Not every smile means someone is okay. And maybe Allah placed you in someone's life not to judge them, but to guide them gently, to remind them lovingly, to protect their dignity, to help them become closer to Allah. And remember the beautiful words of the Prophet, the believer is a mirror to his brother. So, be a mirror that reflects sincerity, a mirror that reflects mercy, a mirror that helps people heal instead of breaking them further. If this reminder touched your heart, share it with someone you love. And today, speak gently, advise sincerely, forgive more, because one act of mercy between believers may become mercy from Allah upon us all. May Allah purify our hearts, strengthen our brotherhood, and fill our words with sincerity and compassion. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.